In this video, I will share with you 10 facts that you may not have known about Buju Banton.
Only Rasta can liberate the people.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
In a few days, December the 8th to be exact, reggae icon Buju Banton will be released from the McRae Correctional Institute in the US state of Georgia, where he spent most of his 10-year sentence for drug trafficking conviction. There are a lot of well-known facts about Buju, whose real name is Mark Anthony Mary, and his return is sure to be greeted with glee by his throng of fans in Jamaica. Banton will spend time reacclimatizing himself with life on the outside and reconnecting with family and friends before he embarks on his Long Walk to Freedom 2019 tour, as he seeks to reassert himself as one of reggae's premier artists. But did you know these things about him? 1. Buju Banton is the only son for both his mother and father, both of whom have 6 daughters each, making him the only brother of 12 siblings. 2. He is a direct descendant of the Maroons through the lineage of his mother. 3. He tore a ligament in his leg while wrestling with a member of the Morgan Heritage Band, who are his close friends. 4. Buju was the sponsor of a St. Andrew-based football team named Earth Ruler. 5. Banton is trained in martial arts and is a fitness-oriented individual. 6. Despite being linked to the St. Andrew communities of Red Hills Road and Whitehall Avenue, he was actually born in downtown Kingston, Salt Lane to be exact, and moved to Barbican Road before his family moved to Whitehall Avenue. 7. Buju is a lover of dogs and has owned various breeds of the animals, including Doberman Pinschers, Rottweilers, and Pit Bulls. 8. After ruling the dancehall scene in the early 1990s, Buju Banton switched over to the reggae genre after touring the major markets and seeing the pulling power of the music. 9. He is the idol of present dancehall star Vybz Kartel, who named himself Adi Banton when he made his entry on the dancehall scene. And 10. He was the first reggae artist after Bob Marley to perform inside the famed Hammerstein Ballroom in Manhattan, New York, to a packed house.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.